when you have a bike and you're asking yourself if you should go on a small trip? I think the answer is yes. Just to give you a little backstory on this video, we originally planned to do a traverse of the Kitzbühel Alps on the skis. However, the snow already melted. It's this weird season where winter is not yet over and spring has also not really begun. But we all had time and a bike, so we borrowed some bikepacking bags from our friends and drove to Slovenia. Here we started our tour in Tolmin, a small town just south of the Julian Alps. We cycled along the Sorcha river and then climbed up into the hills. It was honestly quite grey and the bags felt a lot heavier on the bike, as they actually were. Already on our first day, we had to admit that the tour I planned for us was impossible to do at our speed. We wanted to ride from Tolmin in Slovenia to the Italian coast, then to Croatia and back. But with the crazy headwinds blowing from the sea and our frequent snack breaks, there was no chance we could make it. So we shortened the tour and had even more snack breaks. You see me making porridge here, which we never ended up eating because I totally burned it.
We gotta find a way to make it stay the same. With no fence.
On our second day, we made it to Italy. And what do you do when you are in Italy? You drink coffee and you eat pizza. Check! While cycling along the coast, we stumbled across this castle, the Castello di Miramare, located in the Gulf of Trieste. An old man told us that it was built for the Austrian Archduke Ferdinand Maximilian and his wife, Charlotte of Belgium. I don't think cycling was allowed here. As it took us a long time to find the exit of this huge garden, we took some laps around it.
No cycling in this park.
Yeah, too late. And then it was time to find a campsite again. On our third and final day of the tour, we made it to Gorizia, had a coffee, and then cycled back to Slovenia. And then the trip was already over. In just 3 days we saw so many different places, powered by our own legs, pizza and, well, the bike. Luckily we had all the camping equipment from through hiking and the bike bags and camera we borrowed from my friends. Sometimes it doesn't take much more than a decision to get out and have fun.